Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how much is 1000 gifted subs on Twitch. Now, this is a fairly common question that I get a lot when recording this Twitch tutorial. So yeah, let's get started. So how much is a gifted sub worth usually? So usually a gifted sub is worth $5. Now this is the same price as a regular subscription on Twitch. However, a gifted sub is only worth $2.50 if the person receiving it already has an active subscription to the channel, as you can see. Now, if a gifted sub, one sub is worth $5, how much is 1000 gifted subs on Twitch, right? Well, 1000 gifted subs is, as we said, one gifted sub is worth $5, so 1000 would be this much dollars, right? And then if you want to know how much money you could make from 1000 gifted subs, you would need to multiply $5 by 1000, which would give you an estimate of this much money, right? Now, it may vary depending on the actual value of the gifted subs. If the person has already an active subscription to the channel, then the gifted sub would only be worth $2.50, right? So in this case, you would make $2.5K from 1000 gifted subs. So this is basically an answer. How much is 1000 gifted subs on Twitch? This is the value of 1000 gifted subs. If you want to know more about Twitch, if you want to know more about Twitch tutorials and features and everything like that, comment down below which tutorial you want to see next, and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you guys for watching.